Your memory isn't a perfect camera. In fact, your brain edits, rewrites, and even invents parts of your memories every single day. Today, on True Curiosity, we'll explore rare psychological facts about memory that will change the way you think about your past. Stay tuned, because the last fact will absolutely shock you. Fact number 1. When you remember something, you're not replaying a video. Instead, your brain reconstructs the memory, like rebuilding a puzzle. Each time you recall it, small details may change. That's why two people who witness the same event often remember it differently. Scientists call this the reconstructive nature of memory, and it explains why eyewitness accounts can sometimes be unreliable. Fact number 2. Here's something wild. Your brain can create false memories. In experiments, people have been convinced they met characters from TV shows in real life, or even that they were lost in a mall as children, when it never happened. This shows how memory can be influenced by suggestion, emotion, and imagination. Fact number 3. Your brain's memory capacity is almost beyond imagination. Experts estimate it can hold around 2.5 million gigabytes of data. That's the same as storing 30,000 full-length movies in your head. Yet, strangely, we still forget where we put our keys. Fact number 4. Have you ever smelled something that instantly took you back to childhood? That's because the olfactory bulb, the part of your brain that processes smells, is closely linked to the hippocampus, which handles memory. That's why scents can trigger powerful and emotional memories faster than any other sense. Fact number 5. Here's the most important one. Memories don't just tell us who we were. They shape who we are right now. Every memory you recall, even if imperfect, reinforces your sense of identity. So in a way, your memory isn't just storing your past, it's actively building your future. Your brain is more powerful, and more mysterious, than we often realize. Which fact about memory surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to True Curiosity for more unbelievable psychological and scientific facts every week.